There's a reason over 1.5 million students start the school year with supplies from EPI, making us the leader in school supply pack programs. We provide quality, teacher-tested, parent-approved supplies at substantial savings, exceeding 40% on identical items and brands in our school supply packs. Teachers tell us having quality supplies in their classroom is important for student success.
Well, as a teacher, to have quality supplies in the classroom is really important because we use it every day, and then it's important for the students to have like fine motor skills, gross motor skills, and they use these throughout their entire education. So it's really important to be able to see it and then be able to feel it and see it themselves.
EPI school supply packs feature items your teachers select from our inventory of over 2,500 items, backed by our school year quality guarantee. We have all the top brands you know and trust, including Crayola, Ticonderoga, Expo, Elmer's, Kleenex, Fiskars, Mead, Sharpie, Colorations, and more. Plus, our Colorations and EPI branded items offer quality performance at an exceptional value. No other prepackaged school supply company compares to our selection, price, and service. Whether you're doing a school supply pack program or need bulk classroom supplies, EPI makes it easy for you to get the brands and items your teachers want at prices you love. But don't just trust us. Contact us for a sample and quote today, and compare them for yourself.